Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome flag settings. And in today's video, I will show you the best Google Chrome flag setting for best smooth scrolling on your web page on Google Chrome browser. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in Chrome //flags and hit enter. And in a few seconds, it takes you to Chrome flag experiment settings right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply type in smooth. So it's going to take you right here. Animate smoothly when scrolling page content. Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. These are supported devices for this particular feature. What you need to do right here to simply come to default right here and make sure you choose enable. Once you choose enable, finally come down below right here, click on relaunch. Then once you click on relaunch, in a few seconds it's going to relaunch and then it take you back to your Chrome flag setting right here. And by default now you have it enabled, which allow you to scroll very fastly on your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome flag setting, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.